New tool deals have dropped, yes, at the Home Depot. We're shopping at the store. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can make more review videos. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got a generator here, $349. This is kind of on the smaller side. This one's a medium size, $699. I know, big price difference, right? This one's $2,500, Champion for $699. Again, big price difference. Make sure you guys stay tuned for this channel because sometimes we do drop deals, crazy generator deals, and that's how it works. All right, so yeah, the spring, you got the weeds and everything growing up, the bugs. So definitely check out. There's a lot of sprayers you guys could get for your. We got the clearance section. This is a Velcro pouch. $11 up from $11.86. We got the clear or the Velcro or the. We got the high visibility shirts here, $9.80. Not too bad. Down from $19. From the Milwaukee, you got some flashlights here from the gift center from last year, $7. And then you got this miter saw. This one's $5.49 down from $6.49 for that miter saw. That's the way it looks. And then you got the rigid miter saw just beside it. So $2.66 down from $3.79. Not too bad. Not too bad on that one. And then here down we have some Milwaukee tools. This is the Milwaukee Pack Out Light. And then that's $1.99. And then you got the 2-gallon compressor for $3.60 down from $3.79. You got some more rigid stuff here. You got the brushless jigsaw, $129. Brushless router, $129. And then you got drill driver and impact driver or hammer drill for $3.49. So not too bad. It does come with a really nice case. 4 amp hour and 6 amp hour batteries. All right, talking about some DeWalt here. You got the hammer drill, $329. And then $369 for the reciprocating saw, and then $199 for the circular saw. These are all flexible tools. This is actually not the price because remember guys, we just got those brand new deals, and well, some of these are kits and some of these are bare tools. The kits are this price, but later on we're gonna see some more DeWalt deals. You got the atomic drill for $159. That is the drill kit. It does come with battery. And then the jigsaw, $199. And then the Bluetooth radio for $179. And then they still got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the tools on the top, get a free 5 amp hour battery. I'm not gonna go over all of them in detail because we already seen this before. We got some more widgets. So we got impact driver and drill driver, a rear handle circular saw kit. Does come with battery and charger. So that's a really nice, very similar to the Milwaukee one. That is a hammer drill and the impact driver combo. And then you got the 8 amp hour battery for $179, the rear handle for $319, and then you got the 6 amp hour, 4 amp hour 2-tool combo kit for $349. So those are these deals. You got the subcompact brushes 2-tool combo kit, $169, 4 amp hour battery for $139, 100 reciprocating saw $129, 3-inch multi-material saw for $129. And that's what it looks like right there. You can pretty much cut everything you need. That's the 100 reciprocating saw, and then the impact driver and drill driver compact. All right, you got the Rigid 2.0 Pro Gear 3-drawer system here, $119. If you guys look at something in particular, check out that. It does have a lock built in that system. That's it right there. So you guys could put a lock in there, and it'll lock up. So that's pretty nice. Prevent all your stuff from getting stolen. Keep the honest people honest. All right, so you got this is a mid-torque impact wrench. Again, we're following with the rigid. These are all $129. You got the router, the jigsaw, the 6 amp hour battery, and then that mid-torque there, which is pretty nice. Got the 4 and 2 amp hour starter kits, $219, and then the 3-pack of 2 amp hour batteries. So, all right, so on to the DeWalt. These are the new deals that they just have dropped. I don't know if this is the current price that's going to be, or this is just a release price or whatever. But this is the price. So this is your choice here. $199, 6 amp hour battery starter kit. You got the small angle grinder with kickback brake. The flex volt circular saw, which is this. That is the 6 amp hour battery starter kit. And then you got the kickback brake grinder with it is a 60 volt brushless. And then you got the 60 volt max brushless 7 1/4. And then the reciprocating saw. So these are all 60 volt tools, guys. These are not 20 volt. This will not run with your 20 volts unless this one. Yeah, this one does run as a 20 volt and a 60 volt battery. But the tools themselves, they only say 60 volts. So that is something you guys do have to watch out when you guys buy these. Because if you want to run them with your regular 20 volt watts, you guys, it does have to say 20 volts on the tool. So like these, will not run with the flex volt. Alright, so that is the drill driver and the one-handed reciprocating saw. You got the two 20 volt batteries, 4 amp hour batteries. You got the 10-piece screwdriver set for $25.97. This is a really nice screwdriver set. Haven't seen one of these in a while. Does come with some stubbies, and it is magnetic. Performance grip, torque zone, speed zone, precision. So, really like the way that it's magnetic. That is a plus. It is a 10-piece. Pretty nice kit. Alright, so we got some clamps there at the bottom. Pretty nice clamps for the walt. And then you got this hammer. So the 12-inch 100-pound trigger clamps, $27.97. You got the hammer for $27.97. That's 20 ounce. A 25-footer tape measure, $30.97. Alright, so pretty nice rubber grips on the bottom. Those yellow are rubber grips. And then you got some more accessories here to help you with the demolition and nails, magnetic nail starter there, or holder. So pretty nice. And then you got the, which is not a deal. This is actually not a deal yet, because this is more than $200. Usually when they got this on deal, it's usually a $170, $180 on the Black Friday deals. So definitely stay around, because sometimes they'll flick those cardboards and they'll have a different price on the back. Alright, so this is the other section of that, or the other part of that section. You got the Power Stack 1.7 and 5 amp hour for $249. You got a 2-tool combo kit with 2 4 amp hour batteries for $279. The rotary SDS for $279, or the nailer. Alright, so this is the impact driver drill driver. It does come with the 850. That's what come with 2 4 amp hour battery starter kit and a bag. And then you got the 5 and the 1.7 power stacks for $249 with the charger. And then you got the impact driver drill driver and the rotary hammer for $279, and then the roofing nailer kit 15 degree for $389. So that is the SDS. It's pretty nice for smaller holes, and if you guys do a lot of work with concrete. Alright, so this is a 20 volt tool. You got the Power Stack 1.7 and a 5 amp hour starter kit. That's what it looks like, in case you want to get this. I'm still waiting for buy one get one free. And then you got some more deals here. You got the belt sander, $249, and then the 3-speed impact tool for $99. That is Atomic 850. That is one of the better ones that they have. That is the right angle adapter from the DeWalt. You can use that with impact driver or drill. You got the SDS rotary hammer for $179, or you got the right angle attachment for $19.97. You got the countersink rapid load bits. Got the 21-piece drill bits here. It's in black and gold, and that is $19.87 each. So pretty good deals on those. That is a 850 impact driver, 20 volt atomic, and then you got the belt sander, which is something you don't see every day, basically, or common. Alright, so you got the atomic 20 volt max brushless 1/2 inch hammer drill, $129 was $189. So definitely check it out. That one's a good one because it is a hammer drill. Then you got the 5 amp hour battery just right next to it for $149, and then you got the black and gold for $19.87. Alright, onto some Milwaukee's here. $19.97 for the 25-footer. Wide tape measure. And then we got the 6-piece screwdriver set. So that's what it looks like. Labeled on both sides. Pretty nice. Easy to read. It says wide blade and 25-footer. You got the magnetic screwdrivers. And then you got some more pliers here. You got the 8 comfort grip long nose pliers, diagonal cutting, and the strippers. So $17.97 each. Pretty nice rubber grips on these. Times 2 more cuts. Comfort grip. Same thing with these wire strippers, or these strippers, whatever you want to call it. Wire cutters. They can do pretty much anything. Alright, so you got the $9.88 to the 6-piece spade bit set, 2 bonus blades. Now these are getting much smaller for the same price. I don't know if you guys starting to see the trend there. They're shrinking in size. You got the Diablo sanding paper or sanding discs. $9.97 for the 24 tooth, 7 1/4. $14.97 for the 40 tooth. So these are framing, and then you got some finer tooth, just depending on what you're looking for. And then you got a heavy duty utility cart, $149. Not too bad. It rolls really easy. Really like the way it rolls. Pretty decent. Alright, so $99 for the job site fan, $3.88 for the 10-pack of earplugs. And you got some safety glasses there for $12.88. That's what they have. And then they got some nitro drip gloves, cut level 1 for $6.47. You got a blower and a string trimmer, very basic, for a smaller yard for $154. Was $229. Then $199 for the pack out cooler, 40 quart. Alright, and then we have some more blades here as general purpose. $11.97. A wood, nail embedded. So there's different ones. You got carbide. You do have some more blades over here actually. Nitrous carbide, $29.97 for the 10-pack. And then you get the free torch, free wrecker, or the free axe. So then you got $24.97 for the nitrous carbide multi-tool blades. That is the 10-pack plus the blade. And then you got the oscillating blade set there for metals, and you got the impact duty 6-piece 3/8 drive sockets, either SAE or metric. Got the Shockwave impact duty 485 piece for $19.87. I really love the way Milwaukee makes their indentations with big numbers in case the ink goes away. You still got the indentations there. Alright, so $378 down from $428. This is a 42-inch 8-drawer in red. A solid wood top cabinet. Pretty nice. Does have a self closing. And it does have a power strip on the side. Alright, so you got some DeWalt pressure washer, 3100 PSI. $479. It is a gas pressure washer. So good old gas. And then you got some of these on clearance. So this one's $31 down from $32.98. 14-inch supply bag from Husky. So not too bad on this one. And then you got this one for $19.88. Segment of 50 pack, pretty much similar to the other one we just saw. Anti-scratch resistant safety glasses, $12.88. Pack out black 20-ounce tumbler, $24, and $29 for the bigger one. Was $34.88. That's what I paid for mine. You got some gray work skin, $34.97. And then these are on clearance. This is a magnifying light kit, $34.97 was $39.97. Does come with a battery, 4 volts. And then 3/8 ratchet kit, so $59.97 down from $69. So that's pretty nice, guys, because it is very compact. That battery is not getting on your way. That thing's really slim. So they definitely could have made that a little bit slimmer, but that's actually pretty good. Guys, that's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. Don't forget to give us a like, hit the like, hit the bell icon. Make sure you guys follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.